Hey guys, I'm gonna quickly show you just how easy it is to make a delicious meal of Huel hot and savory. First, choose your flavor of Huel and add 2 scoops to a bowl or a pot. Next, pour over 7 fluid ounces of boiling water. That's just under 1 cup. Give it a really good stir. Cover it and leave it for 5 minutes. Alternatively, you can microwave your Huel. Add 8.5 fluid ounces of water to your 2 scoops of Huel. Stir it thoroughly, cover it and add it to your microwave. Leave it in there for 1 minute 30 seconds on full power. Then stir it and recover it for another minute. And it's as simple as that. Here's some extra tips to make sure you make it perfectly every time. Give your pouch a really good shake before you open it. This ensures you get all the ingredients mixed up. Scoop from the bottom of the pouch so you get all that tasty stuff. Tracking calories with Huel is really simple. Each scoop is 200 calories, so a meal can be as big or as small as you like. Experiment with the amount of water and hot and savory you add. This way you can find out what works best for you. If the first time you make it is too thick, just add more water. If it's too watery, reduce the water down next time. Make sure you cover your bowl or pot while you're waiting. This is because some vitamins and minerals like potassium and vitamin C can be lost in the steam. With all Huel, it's about finding what works best for you. Try adding some extra toppings, sauces, or flavors to spice up your hot and savory. If you're looking for more tips or information, head to our website, follow us on social media, or drop us a message.